Hello everyone, welcome to the new video of Manzil. So in today's video we will discuss some idioms. First one is shoot oneself in the foot. Meaning is to harm one's own cause inadvertently. Example, he shot himself in the foot in the interview by disclosing too much personal information. Next one is miss the boat or bus, meaning to miss an opportunity. He waited far too long to get a good deal. Most good ones are gone now. He missed the boat. Next idiom is shoot from the hip, meaning to speak bluntly or rashly without thinking carefully. Example, if you want to be a spokesperson, you need to avoid your habit of shooting from the hip. Idiom next is in the same boat, meaning if two or more persons are in the same boat, they are in the same difficult situation. Example, both of us are in the same boat without jobs. Next idiom is a bolt from the blue, meaning a sudden unexpected event. Example, the resignation of the minister this morning came as a bolt from the blue. Next idiom is have one's cake and eat it too, meaning to have two good things at the same time that are incompatible and therefore not feasible. Example, you don't want to pay more taxes and still have better services. You can't have your cake and eat it too. Idiom eat humble pie, meaning be humiliated by admitting that you are wrong. Example, the e-commerce company claimed that they will surpass the market leader in 2 years, but they had to eat humble pie after the latest sales numbers. Idiom the pot calling the kettle back, meaning accusing someone of faults that you yourself have. Example, he called me a cheat. That's pot calling the kettle back. Next is kill two birds with one stone. To achieve two goals with a single effort, I can kill two birds with a stone by picking up the laundry while going to the college. Next is call it a day, meaning if you call it a day, you stop when you are doing because you are tired of it or you are not being successful. Example, faced with increasing competition and thinning profits, the owner decided to call it a day after 20 years in the business. So that's all for today. All the idioms are very important from the exam point of view. Stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you so much.